I'm ready. Okay guys, the first step is the warrior move. What I need you to do is rock side to side, lifting your knee 4 times. Rock, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna give me 2 punches to the front, 1 and 2, and then over your head and out to the side. I want you to sit soft into your knees and you're gonna rock your hips from side to side. You're gonna rock 4, 3, 2, 1. We're then gonna do a destroza with a hamstring curl. So you're gonna lift your leg, sit and rock, lift, sit and rock. Step 3. You're gonna use your foot to turn you around facing the side. You're gonna step down and up, down and up. You're then gonna reach for the sky 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now I want you to put one arm in front of you and the other arm at your hip. You're gonna use this to turn you around. So it looks like this. Down and up, down and up. 1, 2, 3. You then repeat it to the other side. So now let's talk about the most important move of all. Did you know that 6 out of the 8 warning signs of breast cancer are visual? In addition to regular checkups, make sure you know what is normal for you and report any changes to your doctor immediately. Making this move could save your life. For specifics about the visual warning signs, visit partyinpink.com. Are you guys ready to try this with music? Let's do it. Liana Veda.
Que me enseñe cómo estoy tumbado, que no quiero rumbear en otro lado. Quiero